Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Grammarly for AI writing automation in Chrome, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools. Next, select Extensions. In the Extensions page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Click on Open Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press Enter. Look for the Grammarly extension in the search results. Click on the extension titled Grammarly for Chrome. You will see a blue Add to Chrome button. Click on this button to start the installation. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Review the permissions that Grammarly requires. If you agree, click on Add Extension. The download process will begin and may take a few moments. Once installed, a Grammarly icon will appear in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the Grammarly icon to create an account or log in. Follow the prompts to set up your Grammarly profile. After setup, Grammarly is ready to assist with your writing in Chrome. To use it, simply start typing in any text field. Grammarly will automatically check for grammar and spelling errors. You can click on the suggestions to see corrections and enhancements. Explore the settings by clicking on the Grammarly icon again. Customize your preferences for writing style and tone. Now, you are set to enhance your AI writing automation with Grammarly in Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.